Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about an inheritance. Okay, inheritance is the second concept of the OOPS concept. The four OOPS concept, the inheritance is the second concept. So you can find all the Java related concept in this playlist, that is Java playlist. Okay, so I have uploaded the encapsulation video in my last video. Okay, so go ahead and check the encapsulation video first before coming to the inheritance video. So let's get started with the inheritance wala video. Okay, so what is inheritance? So I'll explain you. So suppose I'll explain you by the help of example. Okay, so how can these examples of the inheritance relate to the programming or coding concept? Okay, and how this will help you as a quality assurance engineer? I'm going to explain you all those things. Okay, so but before that we have to know that there are several types of inheritance, that is okay, so there are four types of inheritance, that is single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and multiple inheritance. Okay, so inheriting from the base or parent class is known as inheritance, and the keyword that is used is extends keyword. Okay, so I will show you in the okay, so this is the example for the inheritance. So there is a class car A and the class car B. So both are the car classes. There is car A and car B. There are some properties of class car A, that is name is Alto, then mileage is 10, then the color is black, color is a method, then the electric, there is a method, and this is an electric vehicle, this is one of the method, and these are the properties of car A. And car B, this one extends car A, as we have discussed before that extends keywords must be used, and there the car B is having some function, that is type. Okay, so this is a hybrid vehicle, this is the type of the car B. Okay, so I hope that. And now how can we, now suppose we want to use the car B and do some operations. Okay, you want to use the car B and do some operations. How you can do that? First of all, you have to create an object, because this is not a static class. Okay, we have to create an object, so I have initialized the object, and then I am calling the type method from the car. Okay, so I am calling the type method, so it will output that this is a hybrid vehicle. First of all, it output this. We can also use the class car A. So here I am calling car.electric. Okay, car.electric I am calling. How I am calling this? Okay, since this is a, since I have extended the car A class in the car B class, I can use the object of car B and utilize the properties of car A. Okay, so if I run this, then the output will be this is electric vehicle. Okay, suppose if I have not used this. Okay, suppose I have not used this, there will be, you will get an error. If you run this, you will get an error. Okay, see, cannot find symbol. Why we cannot find symbol over here? Because this is an car B object, so we cannot reference car A object in okay, so we cannot reference car A object. See, it is clearly giving the message over here that variable of car of type car B Okay, cannot find symbol car dot color because there is no method or function named as electric in the car B class. I hope you are understanding. If you have any queries or doubt, you can leave the comment. Okay, I will try to answer that query. Okay, so we have to use the extends keyword to use the we have to use extends car A. Okay, now if we run the program, then we will get all the combined output. Okay, we will get all the combined output. So this is an example of uh, inheritance. Okay, so now we will talk about single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and multiple inheritance. Okay, so the example that we have discussed is single inheritance. Okay, now we are going to talk about multi-level inheritance, and Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Okay, so we are going to talk about multi-level inheritance. So this is not a complex topic. You can think of this one like there is a grandfather. Okay, so here I will draw another box over here, and I will write some topic that is grandfather. Okay, so you can think of the example like this. So like there is grandfather, there is father, and there is son. So everyone is inheriting from each other. This is the multi-level inheritance. Okay, you can also think of it like this. Okay, so this is the multi-level inheritance. If we see in the coding point of view, so you have to keep another class over here. Suppose there is another class that is initial class. Suppose we change the name to car A. Okay, so this is car A, this is car B, this is car C. So car B extends car A. Okay, and car C extends car B. In this way you can use the multi-level inheritance. Okay, in this way you can use the multi-level inheritance. So we will have to change the object over here, car C. Okay, so we can access all the properties of the all the cars from the by initializing one object itself. This is known as multi-level inheritance. Okay, if you please go and rewind the video back and watch the video again if you want to understand the concept. Okay, so we are initializing car A. So car A will have some property such as in tires 4. Okay, public void speed, let's keep it as speed 400. Okay, some of the properties are there in car A, and there is some properties in car B. Okay, there is some properties in car C. So if we now try to access the properties, okay, so we will try to access the car A property. Print ln equals to car dot tires. Okay, so if we run this code now, see the output is 4 because the this statement has called the data of the class car A. Okay, car A data has been called over here. If we also try to access the speed of the car A, car dot speed, and if you run the code, then it will give the speed of the car A. So don't feel confused about this concept. This is very easy concept. You just have to be very learn it properly. So it is like car A is having some data, then car B is like accumulating some data from car A, then car C is accumulating some data from car B. Like that, every data is being accumulated. So how this help is like you don't have to write the code again and again from the scratch. Okay, so this is the inheritance concept, and you should remember that multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. Okay, so I hope that the concept of inheritance is getting clear to you. If you have any queries or doubts, comment your doubts in a proper manner so that I can respond to all of your doubts. Okay, so there is some other concepts such as superclass and subclass. So superclass is nothing but the grandparent class. The subclass is the child class. Okay, like that you can understand. There is a lot of resources in the internet. You can go and check them out. So I hope that this concept of inheritance is pretty much clear to you guys. If you have any queries or doubt, feel free to leave the queries in the comment section below. I'll respond to the queries. And if you have found the value out of this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so I create more content around like this related to quality assurance, manual and automated testing, and different testing tools. So you can see all of the playlist that I have created. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. This motivates me to create more videos. And thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.